Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today. Today we're gonna make cornmeal porridge. So I'm gonna show you guys how we make cornmeal porridge. So right here we have some vanilla. So we're gonna put around a teaspoon of vanilla in the pot. So that is a teaspoon of vanilla. I put a touch of salt. So a little touch of salt in there. Coconut milk. We have a tin of coconut milk, but we're gonna use around half of it, so we ain't gonna use the whole tin of coconut milk. So throw half tin coconut milk, nutmeg, a little drop of nutmeg. So we're making cornmeal porridge today for breakfast. I get up quite early, around 6:20 now in the morning. So I just put some water in the cornmeal and just mix it around like that. So I'm gonna add the cornmeal into the pot now with the coconut milk, with the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the vanilla, and the salt. But when you're cooking cornmeal porridge, you have to always give it a stir because we get lumpy. So just give it a stir like that till it starts to boil. If you leave it for 5 minutes and you don't stir it, it will get lumpy. So that is cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style we're cooking today. I telling a lot of my friends so back home in Jamaica we drink cornmeal porridge. I said, what is that? I said, alright then, I'm gonna do a video and show you guys how we prepare cornmeal porridge. They said I never heard of it before. So alright then, you're gonna see a video of cornmeal porridge. Look at that, folks. So please subscribe to my YouTube page. My YouTube name is Selvin Robinson Family, and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. And please share and like, and please make a comment. So we're cooking cornmeal porridge Jamaican style today for breakfast. And whenever you're cooking cornmeal porridge and you're mixing it and it's getting too thick, you can just add a little bit of water to it. So you don't want it too thick, because if it's too thick it's going to start burn and get lump. So keep on, give it a stir. So like this one now, it's a little bit too thick, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water to it. Add a little water to it. Give it a stir. So don't forget to stir it. You have to keep on stirring it till I get out all of those lumps out of it. And be careful when you're boiling cornmeal porridge because it will pop up and it will burn you, and it burn you. That's a terrible burn you get. So I give it around 5 minutes and then I give it a stir again. So guys, this is my cornmeal porridge. So I stir it. So I turn on the fire very low. I don't want to turn up the stove, it's too high, because I don't want it to pop right out, because it would pop like popcorn. It's going in here. So I'll just give it a stir. So cornmeal porridge Jamaican style for breakfast. See it? So nice and smooth as that is. So when you're cooking cornmeal porridge, be careful because you don't want it to pop and get you on your hand or on your feet or on your face. So you guys be careful if you're trying to cook cornmeal porridge. So I don't want to put on the lid, I just leave it open like that. guys, I'm just checking my cornmeal porridge again, give it a stir. I don't want it to stick in the bottom. This will be cooking for the last 10 minutes. So I don't want it too thick or too watery. I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes to boil down. And I ain't gonna use no sweet milk. I put in the coconut milk already. I'm just gonna use a little bit of sugar and sweeten it. So this is cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style. Alright guys, just checking up on this cornmeal porridge. Jamaican style cornmeal porridge is ready to come off now. Look at that, people. Cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style cornmeal porridge, cooked down with coconut milk. So we have some vanilla in it, nutmeg, cinnamon. You can use the cinnamon leaf if you want, but I use the cinnamon powder. So I cannot get the cinnamon leaf, so I use the powder. Alright guys, this is all finished. This is my cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style, with some toast bread. So this is cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style, cooked down with coconut milk, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style. When we're growing up, we eat a lot of cornmeal porridge to go to school or to go to work. So this is cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style. And please subscribe to my YouTube page and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video, you guys will get it. Jamaican style cornmeal porridge. Guys, keep safe. Peace.